Here we go, taking off from Islamabad Airport and final checks on the runway. Area from the left front, right top there. Plane is full and I'm in the back seat. And the last one. Yeah, so this is Boeing 737-800. Safety precautions. Check. Engine is powered up, ready to roll. And release the brakes. Landing strip prior to the runway, and that's the city of Rawalpindi, Taxila, Fatehjam. Oh, we're backing towards this side, so you can see the horizon is up, wing is dipped.
Here are, in my opinion, three of the 2024.
Here we go, we are about to land on Urumqi Airport and we are over Gobi Desert. It's ending. So it's just the mountains now. Well, I can't see the runway at the moment. Somewhere. Okay, so we're gonna land shortly. And this is the city of Urumqi, the capital of Xinjiang province. Last time I was here in the evening, so couldn't record anything. No clear landing video, so now you can see we are almost at 1,500 feet. And the finals before the touchdown. So approximately 3 to 4 nautical miles away from the airport. Okay. descending slowly. I love the back seat because it gives you those, ticklish feelings. 'Cause at the back of the airplane you get the most turbulence. This turbulence is kind of give you tickles. Yeah, I think nice building structure. So this is Urumqi, Xinjiang province, Xinjiang province, or Xinjiang province, whatever you call it, but actually it's called Xinjiang. We are almost at 700 feet and around 2 nautical miles away from the airport. Okay, so these are 30-story buildings, so you can guess, no, not 30, actually 10 stories. So I think that's the final highway from the airport. There's one more before the touchdown, before the threshold. Here we go, Apple. So now about 500 feet. 400 feet. 300 feet. 200. 100. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, sink, check, now. There we go. It was a little bumpy landing, but I would say good job. Disembarking the plane.